Alright guys, we got the Hatsan Factor here. It's a 22 cal. We're shooting a Hatsan Vortex Strike 17.75 grain. And we're gonna do a 10 shot string through the chronograph and we'll see what she makes. First shot, 870 feet per second. Second shot, 870 feet per second again. Third shot, 875. Fourth shot, 878. Fifth shot, 877. Sixth shot, 879. Seventh shot, 878. Eighth shot, 883. Ninth shot, 879, or 877, my bad. 10th shot, 877 again. She's doing pretty good, guys. The magazine is very similar to the Hatsan Blitz, 18 rounds, 22 cal, but hopefully we're going to see a 25 and a 30 cal in this gun also. I would love to, because I really want to do some varmint shooting with this. Maybe even go after some coyotes, but we'll see when it comes out. Alright guys, got the Hatsan Factor, and I'm going to see what I can do to those RX target systems down there. I know what I can do to them really, because I was shooting this thing all day yesterday. I had some fun. There we go. 4 bullets, 4 targets, and they're all down. Very accurate gun right here. I highly recommend getting this Airgun. It's got an adjustable stock, a great grip, a nice sleek lever action, the 18 round mag, carbon fiber bottle, and it's just all around a really slick looking gun. Slick performing too, as you just saw. But if you want to get one of these, you can get it at lethalwear.net or hatsanusa.com, and we'll have them on the website as soon as they come out. Hey guys, I'm sorry if you didn't get this already, but it's Friday, and I've got the Blitz over there, and I've got another Blitz over there. So, what's gonna happen?